Okay, we got home. We're bored. Here you go. These are my.
Fuck you!
These. Oh my god. These are my friends. Yeah.
We are cool. We love you. I love myself. I am brown. Upstairs.
And she's proud.
And I'm proud to be brown.
Fuck you!
You're not God.
So, what we do today?
Today we go to the fish market.
You wash your clothes in the river? You use rock?
Today we go to the fish market.
She washing her clothes in the river with a rack.
We go to the fish market. I saw them with the fish market, and I go, fuck you, bitches.
The fish shinky?
The fish market.
The fish market.
Fish market.
Oh my god.
Filipinos have souls.
You tell me right now.
We buy you panties.
I know life. Hey little girl, like spice and patties. Christmas.
It's spread out nice and wide.
Put the ketchup in the pussy.
I have 2 fingers.
No.
Don't put that there. Yeah.
Filipinos have souls.
Even tell me right now. I'm Catholic. I go to church. You don't tell me I have no soul.
You're not God.
Okay. So. Oh my god. So. Hi. Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh wow.
In your bed, huh?
I'll be in your closet.
Okay.
I feel like a pedophile.